magko-5 na. And then, mag-start yung pila ng 5. Hindi ko masyadong kinakabahan kasi parang wala lang, parang hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko, kakabahan ba ako or hindi, kasi parang I've been waiting for this for a very long time at it's finally happening. So yun, ang stock knowledge kaya pa ba ng stock knowledge dito sa sa last exam na to. So please pray for me, guys. Thank you, bye. Mahina.
Bawal na po kayo bumalik! Mas maganda, malakasagilid kayo, dapat meron tayong bahan, pagkain at saka tubig. O sige, yung bahan natin, pila na tayo sa dulo.
Check, it's 5:10 and I had just finished the last subject, the major ship, and going home. Good luck to me, good luck to our future LPTs money. Hi guys, finally it's over. Ayan, good luck sa mga future LPTs. Sa iba may mga sundo sila. But I am all alone. Ang may anak. Bye. Bye. MCU, no? Bye, MCU. Rejoice, let every joy